Yo, what up, y'all? What's good? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt. I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, me and my wife, we're in here. We're making some chili. Hey, baby, we're making chili, right? Yeah, she's in there mixing it up. Oh man, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be so good, ain't it, Isaiah? Isaiah, turn the water off over there.
Do stuff like that.
Yeah, turn the water off.
You can't just come over here being fake as you want to be.
She's trying to say I'm being fake for YouTube, guys. Oh my God, it is not true. This is so real. This is my real life.
This is real.
Let's see. Yo, what up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out here.
I'm gonna drop my work over here.
All right, check it out. My wife is over there working. That's my cousin right there. She's working too. But yeah, guys, you know what I'm saying? We out here chilling. You know, it's coronavirus leave and stuff. The kids are out here. They're just running crazy. Look at him. He got a knot right there on his head. You see that big old knot because he don't know how to stay still. They're out there.
And I see that board. You see that?
See the birdies out there? The birdies are out there.
What's up, C-Spec board? Say C-Spec board.
C-Spec bird. Yeah. But yo, guys, this is crazy. Yeah, we in here. We about to cook. The fam is doing great. That's how they be. Like, oh my gosh, the kids. He's eating a big old strawberry. Look at that strawberry. It's so big. Oh, it's so juicy and red. Oh my God. Chance, he got all the grapes. Chance has all of the grapes. He got all the grapes out of the refrigerator. Chance, why do you got all of the grapes? He's got all of the freaking grapes. Oh my gosh. Chance, you got a big old knot on your. Chance, you got a big old grape knot on your head, man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but yo, that's it. But yeah, it's another day in the life, man. We out here chilling, we out holding it down, we out here doing what we do. You know, I'm about to go out here and bust out some tracks and everything. You feel me? About to go drop some rhymes. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You feel me? Yo, this is your boy Kurt. I'm here to say, I came up in here to party. This is what I do every day. What are these kids doing? What are they doing? They acting a fool out here? See these kids, they're running, they're doing the most out here, okay? That's what I gotta deal with on a regular basis since this coronavirus outbreak happened, okay? Alright? Look at them, hard-headed. Standing on top of stuff. No better. He said he see Coco poop. I don't see no poop. You see some poop?
It's right here!
Oh my gosh, where?
Right there!
Dried up poop. It's old poop though, it's old poop.
But it's Coco.
Put your shoes on out, Chance. But yo, that's it. So beautiful out here today. Man, look at it. It's all sunny and stuff.
Get over here.
Good morning, Vietnam! Yo! Where everybody at? Alright. So these kids done ran down the street, acting a fool. What's wrong with them? What does it do, okay? Stay tuned. More coming. Can't stress it enough. More coming. All right. Hey, what's up, YouTube fans? Your boy C-Spec Kurt, and we up in here. It's another beautiful day, man. I don't know what we about to do. We just sitting around here, lounging, bored. Who knows? Kids in here doing whatever.
I'm working.
Okay, wifey working. She says she working.
Virtual training.
Okay. That's what she says she doing, so we're gonna leave it at that. But yeah, man. Yeah, that's what she doing. But I don't know what we about to do. Who knows?
Why?
Hey, what's up? It's another beautiful day in this. What's going on? You know, it's coronavirus week. We in the house locked up. Won't let me out. Won't let me out. But you know, everybody just chilling. Wife getting work done. I'm in here holding it down, you know, doing what I do. You know what I'm saying? Still enjoying all the little finer things in life. You know, just trying to get by. That's about it.
Daddy. Hey.
Yeah. But yo, that's what it is, guys. You know, just another time.
I'm done with approving work unless